Hey everybody, and welcome back to Tech Talk. I'm your host Tobiah, and today I'm excited to do a review on the new Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. I did the pre-order, and I have to send back my my Pixel 3 XL. I would, think that the Pixel would be the better phone. Unfortunately, it's not, especially when it comes to video recording. The audio is terrible. So I'm recording this on my inexpensive gaming phone, the Red Magic Mars, which I really, really like for a very inexpensive, backup device with some power that you don't mind actually using. It's a fantastic phone. But that's not what we're reviewing. We're reviewing the S10 Plus. I had a huge problem. Sorry, I let that plane go by. I had a huge problem. I didn't pre-order. I ordered the um, Google Pixel 3 XL direct from Google during the Black Friday sale. And when I did, the phone didn't come. It was stolen in shipment. So I was a little, trepidatious about pre-ordering, and am I even going to get the phone? But it looks like it's here, so we'll check that out and see what's in here. So the S10 Plus has the newest chipset, the 855. I believe, unfortunately, it doesn't have the fastest storage. I believe it's UFS 2.1, and Samsung's coming out with the Note, and that's going to have the newest version, which is 3.0. So those of you that are super geeks, you may want to wait for that particular version. I personally just don't like the Note line, so it's not an issue for me, and I'm sure this is fast enough. My gaming phone has UFS 2.1, so there's nothing wrong with that. Also, you do get the included Galaxy Buds when you do the pre-order. So we'll take a look at those as well. Excuse me, I can't speak. All right, so first we're going to take a look at the phone. I got the blue version, if I'm not mistaken. Ooh, it's out of the case there. Ah, it's a good thing they put plastic. This thing wasn't even packed correctly. Wow. It was literally up in the box like that. Maybe it had been, yeah, it must have moved in the shipping. But this is the device. Doesn't look like there's any scratches, thank goodness. It's a good looking phone just by looking at it from back here. I'm gonna take this off. Yeah, I don't know. It looks like some scratches already in the phone. That's not good for something you pay so much money for. But all right, let's power this guy on, see what it looks like. A little disappointed about the way that came to me. Now let's see. Okay, there's our USB cable. We also get some earbuds in the box, and they look like they're AKG. And there is sorry about that. There's a little packet of information, looks like, from the top here. Okay, so get that out of the way. If you guys know me, it says it's starting Android, so it's getting going here. Wow, there it is.
Get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Okay, that is pretty nice looking. I'm gonna get it set up, so I'm gonna pause the video here because nobody wants to watch me set the phone up. And then we'll just take a look at what it is. I'll tell you how it feels in the hand and
Let's look at the terms and conditions.
all of the other things like that.
We can
So
read
hold on one second, guys. Okay, so I'm not actually gonna do the review that I was gonna do about the phone because if I do that, I'm gonna have to set it up and take out my SIM card, which is actually in the phone I'm doing this video on. So we won't get into that right now. From what it looks like, from what I can tell, just initially, the little cutout here where the screen is, I'll just show you guys that part so you can see what the screen looks like, and then I'll do a quick follow-up video after this. This is just unboxing because it's fun to see what you actually get with the phone. This is the pre-order, so I'll also show you the Galaxy Buds as well in just 1 minute. And it also comes with these AKG buds, and as I believe, yep, we've got an earphone, 3.5 millimeter headphone jack on this phone. So to me, that's pretty cool.
Let's get started.
No, let's not. We'll turn that down. So there you go. Now you can see the notch right there. Or the cutout of the screen. As far as notches go, it's really, it's not bad. And the sound on this thing is pretty good. I can already tell. So sound is good. The screen basically takes up the entire phone here. I mean, there's literally hardly any bezels at all, which is pretty impressive, I have to admit. And I really love the color of the blue. I mean, that's just fantastic. I have to say, Samsung so far has impressed me. This device is beautiful, and I'm sure it's equally powerful when we get into that part because of the specs that it has. So I'm not going to open these up because I'm going to check out these other buds, but you do get AKG buds. If you don't get the pre-order, you get a $130 credit, or if you did do the pre-order, I'm saying, but you didn't get the buds in your deal, you still get a credit and you can buy it later. But you still get some kind of headphones right out of the box, which is nice that they include that. Obviously, you don't get a case. I did buy a case off Amazon just because I did not want to have this phone without a case. So these are the Galaxy Buds that come. They retail for $129.99. So in the box, you get the little case here with the actual buds themselves. And it shows you that red, so I don't know if that means it's charged. It says it's green, that means it's charged. That's pretty cool. And let's take them out of the thing here. I'll actually, in the review when I get the phone set up, I'll review these completely. But this is just to show you what it looks like right out the box. These are nice. These are nice looking. There's kind of a pearlescent white. I don't know if that transfers on the camera, but it's actually a really nice looking finish. I like it a lot. I'm surprised by that. I'm actually impressed. Okay, Samsung. It does have a USB-C port in the back, so you can charge it. It comes with obviously that USB-C to USB-A adapter, and it looks like it has a ton of ear caps replacements in here for you. So if you'd like to choose different sets of ear caps, it has like a little cover here. It looks like as well. I don't know what that's about. Oh, yes, there's a little cover. So you can replace these little covers as well. That's a nice, thoughtful feature. So all that comes in there. I'm going to close this back up because I don't need any of that right now. So the Galaxy Buds, I don't think they come with anything else. Nope, there's nothing else in there. There's there are instructions. So you do get another little pack, and I'm assuming instructions with that. Let's see here. Yeah, just a little thing there. So nice packaging from Samsung. I have to say the Galaxy Buds look impressive. The milliamp battery life on these guys. Let's see here. So the buds themselves, 400 milliamp, I would believe that's for the, yeah, so it's 100 milliamps for the earphones, 400 for the charger. That's actually pretty big because most of the earphones have about 30 milliamps, 55 milliamps. Actually, I guess that's about average, 55 milliamps, 50 milliamps. So we'll see. The software, this is tuned by AKG. We'll see how good it sounds, how well they work. I believe they're Bluetooth 5.0 and the phone is as well, so that should improve battery life and connectivity and distance. So yeah, guys, I think this is a pretty complete package from Samsung for the pre-order you'd be hard pressed to need anything else except for a case and a screen protector. It does come with the screen protector already installed. Now this is obviously just an inexpensive, not glass, but well, you know what? I don't know if this almost feels like it is glass. I don't know. This might be a nice screen protector on here. I have to say this is a nice. It almost feels like glass. They might have included a glass screen protector on here already. There's definitely a screen protector on here. So that's impressive. I don't think it's this kind of cheap plastic because it just wouldn't look good. And especially along the sides, it looks great. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. If that's the case, then I've got my case. It's already got a screen protector. You're pretty much good to go. And wow, very, very impressed. So we'll see how the software is, how the hardware handles the software, how it integrates from my old phone to the new phone, and all of that in just a few minutes. So, well, obviously not a few minutes for you guys, but anyway, I will set the phone up and I will get back to you in the next video. One other thing I just wanted to show you. So the side here is metal, but it's also blue. It's like a blue tinged metal. Now there's plastic around it. I'm going to take that all off. Get it looking nice in just a minute when I do the other video. So that's it for now, guys. The unboxing of the Galaxy S10 Plus. So far, I'm pretty happy. It came from the Google Pixel 3 XL, this guy here, and I have not been very happy with this phone. I've been pretty unhappy with it, and I've been really unhappy with Google. So, yeah, we'll set everything up. We'll compare and contrast sizes because obviously this is the biggest and newest Pixel phone that you can get. But for the cost, yes, it's more expensive. Obviously, the Samsung was around $1,000. I think it was $949, and then I got a $550 credit for my Google Pixel, so I paid like $400 plus tax or something like that. In my opinion, I think it was well worth it. This phone has been nothing but headaches, and it's sad because I really do like the pure Android experience. Anyway, we'll get into all that in the next video. Tune in for that. This has been Tech Talk. I'm your host, Abaya. Again, the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus pre-order. I don't think this is happening anymore. I'm not sure. I think the end of this week actually is when you can actually is when the pre-order is over. The end of this week. I'm pretty sure that is. It might have been last week, but it might be this week. If that's the case, you can still jump on a deal. You will not get the Galaxy Buds out of the box, but you will get a credit and you can buy them later. And I would suggest you go ahead and do that. All right, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time, this has been Tech Talk. I'm your host, Abaya. Thanks.